Create question paper PDF and evaluate online. Here are the steps to follow. Create question paper PDF, share PDF with your students, get answer sheets as PDF, evaluate or annotate answer sheets, then share evaluated answer sheets with your students. Let's discuss all of these in detail. Create question paper. You will use MyCBC Guide test generator to create question paper PDF in minutes. You will set date and time when this PDF will be visible to your students. Share PDF with your students. To share PDF with students, you must add students to the respective batches. This feature is part of your subscription and no additional payment is required to create batches or add students to the batches. Get answer sheets as PDF. Students will attempt the questions in their notebook. They will upload it as single PDF using Adobe PDF or any other similar app within the given time frame. Evaluate answer sheets. To evaluate or annotation on PDF files, you will use Kami Google Chrome extension that is free for teachers. After annotation, you will upload the final annotated answer sheets as PDF. As soon as you upload the annotated answer sheets, your students will be able to download and get their results with your remarks. Now let's go through the demo. Now you can create full-length question papers in just 30 seconds using MyCBC Guide test generator. Click on this Start button, select question paper PDF, then select a template, enter test paper name, select class and subject, click OK. Then select this automated pre-filled blueprint, select the blueprint. All other details are filled, click Save and continue. On the next screen, your question paper is almost ready. Now go through all the questions, and if you find any question not relevant to the latest syllabus, you can change it. You just click Replace and replace the question. Once done, click Generate PDF. Click this refresh button. Let's open this. This is your question paper PDF with your name and your logo. And this is the solution of this question paper. So it's time to share this with your students. Click Assign and select a batch. You can select multiple batches and then select quiz start date and time, then click Submit. So let's see how your student will download the question paper and they will upload the answer sheet. The student will open the link and then they will click login. So this is the test that we have recently assigned. The student will click on this test, and on next screen they will find two buttons, Info and Take Test. The student will click Take Test, and on this screen the student will get this download button. They will click download and the question paper will be downloaded. Once the question paper is downloaded, you can ask your student to open Google Meets, Zoom or Microsoft Teams so that you can monitor the student while the student is writing the answers in their notebook. So the student has downloaded the question paper. Now it's time to upload it. The first thing is student will use this Adobe scanner. They are scanning the document. Then next page. Now it's time to upload. Now open. Click Choose File. From Files. Yes, Submit. Upload successful. So to evaluate the question papers, click on this Evaluate button. You will find all the students and the status. Answer sheet uploaded no, answer sheet evaluated no. This test has uploaded the answer sheet, but it is yet to evaluate. So click View Answer Sheet, and this is the answer sheet. So I have already installed Kami Google Chrome extension that is showing here. So we will click this Open with Kami, and this will open with the Kami. So this is the drawing tool, and here I can write like this. I want to give marks like this, and then I want to show that there is something wrong. I click OK. OK. Then I want to say that this part is wrong, and it's OK. It's OK, and I want to write something. Click on text box and write in red color, image not visible. This I have written open here and go to drawing part, and also I have the shapes option. So if I just want to put this like that, I can put the shape color also like this. And if I want to give marks on this, then click this text box and then we give some remarks. Good. So then click drawing and this way you can annotate the PDF, and then there is option to download. Now you will delete this part and click your computer, select your computer with annotation and flatten annotation so that annotation cannot be changed. Then click begin export. It is upload evaluated PDF. Click this, and this should be the file name that we have taken. So we can use this file name only. So click choose. This is the file, and then click open. So yeah, the file name is same. Now click upload evaluated PDF. So PDF is uploaded. Now see how the student will check it. This is student's page. Now it is showing answer sheet and then result. Test result is available now. Student will click on this result sheet and student will get this annotated PDF.